her birthday. We're on a yacht in Dubai. Habibi.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday anyway.
It's Dora's birthday. Happy birthday.
We're just gonna take like a minute of silence, and you pray however way you pray, and at the end we'll all say amen.
Okay.
Amen.
Amen.
So are we gonna cut the cake? How old are you today?
I'll tell you what I'm cutting.
Oh, okay.
Where's the knife? Do they have? Knife for the cup?
Video lapo, video. Wala ka lang ko photo.
You were supposed to throw it at her. You were supposed to throw it at her. L'chaim.
To health.
To help.
Yo, hi son. We're gonna be drunk before we finish.
Success.
Oh,
Last one.
Yes.
To more money.
that one I can write. Happy birthday to you.
More money.
Happy birthday to you.
Can I remove this? Can I remove this? Again.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday
to you. Your phone today. Dear me. Happy birthday to me. Hooray! No! My ass is getting hurt. I'm not paying 10 dirhams for my ass being violated.
Guys,
It's 3 for 20. 3 for 20, brother. Take it or leave it.
yeah, no,
3 for 20.
we are just, yeah. But guys, this is how you travel when you doing yacht stuff. You even have like a cart that drives you around, which is amazing. You pay 10 dirhams, AEDs, is AEDs, right?
AEDs,
per person. Which is not bad, honestly, because the boats are very far. Are you hurting? You're hurting your bum. She's hurting her bum bum.
Maybe earlier though.
Oh my word!
No, oh my word. No, guys. We were not ready for that. We were supposed to be told.
Later that day.
This place, oh my word, this is nice. Oh, night reserved there to share. Guys, this is where we're supposed to be. Oh my word, this is quite lovely. Ngiyabaphinze bavumele abantu abamnyama babhukhe ever again. So we want to use the swing. Nya announce so that beve kusinathi snack shoot. Nya announce kusinathi snack shoot beve kusinathi snack shoot.